Hi everyone, it's Rosemary Maris from Maris Art. I thought I'd just do a quick little tip for you on how to mount things using double-sided tape. So what I've done with this one, I've gone around all the edges and then put one piece in the middle. Now why I do this is because when you pull this off, because this edge is now raised from the rest of it, that you can actually center it where you want it to be. So you can move it around, and when you have it where you want it to be, which is just about there, you press it down in the middle and it holds it while you do the rest. So I pick up one corner. I don't trust double-sided tape because in some of my books it's actually come loose, so I've had to go over it with wet glue. So what I do to hold it in place is this is Aleene's Tacky Glue. Aleene's Tacky Glue, just a little bit down each side there, and that'll just hold it in place. Then you turn it around, you go to the opposite corner, and you pull, oops, if you can get it, you pull that corner up, and that corner up. If I can get it. It always happens when you're filming something, it won't do it. There we are. And then a little bit of glue down there, a little bit of glue down there. And that's it, and that will not come off. Okay, bye.